Clients come to RBB for headache relief. That's what we're here for.
RBB provides OEMs with highly reliable electronic assemblies.
We have optimized our entire shop to deliver small batches of custom-made, high reliability electronics in whatever configuration the client needs.
So industries that we serve generally power, medical, fire emergency, and these are usually directly built from prints.
We do a great job with process control and process adherence. So whether that be on paperwork or best practices within a department, and that's really the basis for our quality control, so that we're doing things the same time every time, but then also we can go back and review what we've done and review how well we did it.
Most jobs or assemblies will go through multiple processes. The first technology being surface mount technology. From there, they might go onto a manual process of the slide line where other components are hand inserted, or they may go onto the auto insert machine. From there, parts go through the wave process, which is where the components get soldered into the board. If parts can't be soldered into the board through the wave process, they might go onto the selective solder machine. One of the ways that we control quality is automated inspection.
We get our small batch clients what they need when they need it. They will know that we've scoured the earth to get them their parts, and we put them on correctly, and they'll get them quickly. They'll also know the status of their boards or their shipments, and if anything changes, they'll get advance notice of that. They're not going to be surprised.
We really are here to make your headaches go away.